Bear, 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 bear. Stay away, bear. You guys see that? It does it pretty easily. Alright guys, so we made it out to the lake we're gonna be at. Just a couple things I wanted to say. I mean, obviously bug spray because there's mosquitoes. And I did bring my little chainsaw because I had to use it. Since I'm about 10 miles from a paved road and 20 miles from a main road, there is one little section I had to stop by and cut down. There's a small tree that was down. On my way back I'll show you guys, but I gotta put some bug spray on. And since I am out here, I do carry a firearm just for safety in case I see bears or mountain lions, which I've never had to use it yet, but you can't be too cautious. It's an FN 510. So let me get my gear set up and then we'll get out to the lake. Alright, so I brought my Lamiglass ultralight rod. We are starting on the trail. The trail's not too bad. It's not too far away from the lake we're going to. This net is bugging me. I'll take it back out. Ooh, the water's super full. When I came out here in the fall, it was a lot different. The water was a lot more shallow. And right now it looks pretty full. We'll walk on this log and fish off of it, though it is a little bit different now because last time I was here it was more shallow and this log wasn't laying there. Oh look, there's a like a salamander right there. I'll see if you guys can see it. Put the net right here. I don't know if the GoPro will pick it up, but I'll use my phone. Hey, he's right there. You guys see him? Might be a newt. I'm not too familiar with salamanders or newts, but there is also a crawdad right here. He looks dead. Oh yeah, there you go. It's either salamander or a newt. I'm not too familiar with what is what, but he is right there. There's two of them. There might be three of them actually. Oh yeah, there we go. So cool. Where are you going, buddy? You guys can tell me in the comments if it's a newt or a salamander. I don't know. Look, I've been fishing and I just noticed someone built a little raft right there. That's pretty cool. There's a rope down the middle that is floating, so must work. This log here is keeping me from wanting to fish over there. I might still try it, but I don't think anything good's gonna come of fishing over that log. I wish it wasn't there. That is where the deeper water looks to be. Get away, stupid bee. So we moved a little bit more to the right. But it kind of sucks because that tree's in my way. So I can cast back over there where I wanted to. Remember when I was here last fall, this log was out of the water and I was able to walk maybe like 3 feet past that tree hanging down. But it's all right. We'll do what we can. Yeah, if this orange one isn't working, then I will switch to one of my smaller Panther Martins, black, preferably. I think I had one. Dang it. It's hard to say. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. So far we have no luck in the 2 spots we've tried. Now we're just gonna keep on walking and seeing if we can come across another spot. This will all be new to me. Because last time I came, I didn't explore. One, because I was a little iffy. I wasn't sure how safe or how weird it was out here. So I really didn't try to explore too much to fish. But today I am. Then I did switch to a smaller Panther Martin. I did have that rooster tail. But I couldn't tell if I was getting hit or if I was just hitting all this wood cover. I just assumed it was a little bit too big for the fish to take in. And then just switch it up to maybe orange isn't the thing. I think it was actually last summer that there was a fire that came through here. It's pretty crazy. All the soil is just all ashy that I'm stepping on. Pretty sad to see that all these trees got burnt down. Yeah, very sad. Ooh. I might try here. Maybe, maybe not. I'm gonna stand. Yeah, something a little bit more solid. That way I can slide. I could maybe walk out there. I really wanted to go. There's a log right there or a tree. It's hanging down. I guess there's this one right here that I could potentially walk on as well. But I've done a lot of walking. Still haven't really gone anywhere. I might try fishing here. Honestly, just because I'm tired of walking around. See if I can go out on that log. Oh. Maybe, maybe not. Oh. Should be able to actually walk on that log. Ooh. I'll grab one. Something that's a little bit more solid. Oh. All right. I'll try it. So far pretty good. I'll get it on this log. There we go. Oh. Finally got one. See if I can land it. See if I can land it. Yeah. It's a little guy, all right? Oh, no. Yeah. It's a little guy, all right? Oh, no. There he goes. Ah. I think I left my net up there. Dang it. Oh. It's a little guy. Really pretty. Ah, that sucks. Yeah. Ooh, got one. Ah. Had one and I lost them. Dang it. Well, check out these rocks. They're like in layers. It looks like a shelf of lava, I'm guessing. That is really cool. Seems like a cool spot to try. I'll try this spot. Looks a lot deeper here. So we might have better luck. At least with finding a bigger one. Might be able to put my bigger rooster tail back on. Since it does appear to be a lot deeper here. There's one following it. Dang. Sucks. Lost two. Ooh, logs right there. Oh, did I turn it off? Yeah. Yeah, I've had a couple small ones though.
Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, usually when I come in the fall, I get a little bit bigger ones,
Oh,
but
you fish this a lot?
no, it's
Yeah.
I like this fucking lake because they don't stick that hatchery crap in here.
No,
No.
they're all
Yeah,
natural.
this is
no. These are I like.
These
I've
are
only caught
good
cutthroats, so I don't know what else
That's
is
all
in here.
that's in
Yeah.
there.
That's what I
it.
assumed. Yeah.
They're
And,
good tasting.
You're a week away from the actual
You know.
fishing season in here.
Oh, this is closed.
It's the weekend after Memorial Weekend.
Oh, because it's usually the Saturday
Uh,
of Memorial Day weekend. So it'd be
Well, this
yesterday.
would be called the High Lakes, so you can't. They call it the High Lakes.
Yeah, on the Fish Wildlife
I
app.
don't give a fuck what you're doing, but I mean,
Yeah,
us. Yeah,
it says
that's
it's
what
open.
Yeah, that's me. I would too. I'll tell you what. If you
Is that a new tree right there?
got it.
Yes, it is.
There's
Right
a
here?
couple from last
Oh,
year when I
man.
was here because
Huh?
of that fire that came through. It's all
Yeah, I know.
garbage
yeah,
over
yeah,
there.
that's
Get
what
this
we were
lake,
looking
man.
at. That's where we came up and checked
Yeah.
out.
Yeah, because usually I have good luck over there.
Yeah.
But-
the lily pad used to be back there. In the back of that used to be all lily pad.
Oh, I didn't know
That was
that.
an
Oh,
excellent.
yeah.
Yeah, that was excellent.
That was that's been about 5-6 years ago that they were.
a little bit long, maybe 10. Yeah,
On the
I could be
island.
wrong. Maybe.
Yeah, I
I
mean,
always thought it was the weekend after Memorial.
no, it's usually either the Friday before Memorial Day weekend or the Saturday. This year was Saturday when they open up the rivers.
Bring up the saw. There used to be a little island going across here. It was there last year. I see it broke up. It's gone now.
Did you guys see that raft someone built over there?
Huh?
That's in the water. Someone built the
jump
raft.
in right there.
There's a raft right on that side of the little island that someone built.
No shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, it has
Get
maybe
out onto the island.
like 5 logs on it, and then has like 2 ropes tying
Oh
it
yeah,
together.
right.
Together.
I'll be there.
Yeah.
I'd like to.
I was looking at it and I was like, that's pretty cool.
Have a good day.
Oh, likewise.
Hope you catch some.
Yeah, hopefully not a mosquito bite.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy. Yes. Yes. Got him. Got him. Hold on, buddy. Sweet. Beautiful guy. We're gonna keep you. So I'm so glad that we finally got one. Clean him up real quick. Oh, you guys can see how beautiful these fish are. Look at these cutthroats. So you guys can see how beautiful these cutthroats are that are in this lake. Got this one. About to get down and cook them real quick before mosquitoes come out. Just wanted you guys to check them out. Beautiful guy. I just love how these cutthroats look. They're a little bit different than what I'm used to seeing. So we'll get this guy cooked up real quick. I'll do it here on this log real quick. There we go. Cut his head. Everything should come out. Try and get a better spot. A little lower to the water. Throw it right there, see if a crawdad comes for it or not. Oh yeah, look at the meat. Super orange. Alright. The fish is ready. Set it up right there. This time, make sure not to forget the lighter. So let's set that up. Seems to be pretty flat right there. It's on there good. Yeah. Got some butter. Yeah, so I didn't do the best job cooking this, or because I burnt the butter, I should say. Yeah, since I burnt the butter, because I'm a dummy, came out a little bit crispy, but nothing terrible, nothing I still wouldn't eat, because I do prefer the crispiness, to be honest. Yeah, so didn't do the best cooking it like I should, but I don't mind crispy skin. It's a gorgeous day out. Great tasting cutthroat. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, I'll get it. Let me show you guys real quick where log had to be cut. This one right here, it was just across. It's pretty easy. I mean, the little chainsaw I have can handle this pretty easily. If it was anything bigger, yeah, I wouldn't have been able to do it. And my back's kind of messed up, so I don't know. I didn't want to throw them over. Just there on the side. It's good enough. I'll show you guys I guess the chainsaw real quick. Might as well. See what's in here. You guys see that? Does it pretty easily. Easier when I use two hands. And if I do one, just cuts there, cuts at the bottom. Does take a little bit longer than it should, but it works. It's better than nothing. I gotta clean it back up. Take the battery up first. Safety first. I'll clean this up, but yeah, that's all I had to do.